guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am making a pancake mix, a banana pancake mix, and it's going to be an oatmeal. So first of all, we're going to look at the ingredients. I'm kind of pouring them out. So you need some oats, some bananas, some eggs, milk, baking powder, and just some blender to get everything together. Get a measuring cup. I have 1 cup, and I also have a container to collect and a whisk. So the first thing I did is I took 3 cups, so 2 for the blue, 1 yellow. These are really good oats that I actually grind. So if you didn't know, guys, you can use your blender to grind. So anyways, that's just another trick for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep all of my dry ingredients. So all my dry ingredients will be some cinnamon and of the grounded oats, and I'll put them in my container. So I went ahead and actually did about 1.5 cup of the cinnamon, and I did 3 small teaspoons of baking powder. So what I do then is mix all my dry, so those are my dry ingredients, make them up so that I can just have a blend. And then next I'm going to do my wet ingredients. So next I go ahead and just use 1 cup. The reason I use 1 cup of milk is just so that I can get my eggs and bananas really puree. So I use the puree button just to get everything together. Basically just making sure the puree, making it all mix up. Yeah, so basically that's what I do with my you can add whatever you want, guys, anything you want in there, but I just kind of stick with bananas and eggs to just kind of really, they get really fluffy. So basically you're making your oatmeal pancakes from scratch, okay? So yeah, I've done this so many times, so this is not the first time. So next I'm going to mix up all my ingredients, my wet and my dry ingredients, add them up together, and I'm going to use my whisk to mix everything all together. And you can see at the beginning it looked like, sorry, I'm a cleaning freak sometimes, so I'm trying to get things out of the way. So anyway, so I'm gonna try to mix it all up. I'm mixing it up. So right now it looks like it has a lot, but what you guys don't know is I keep adding. So I end up using about 2 1/4 of milk. So this is me trying to add that extra quarter into it so it's not too runny. So guys, find your consistency, whichever consistency you like. If you like your pancake really thick, it's up to you. But anyways, let's move on to the last step, which is cooking. I like to cook them on my skillet. This is one of my favorite skillet I've had back in the days. Okay guys, the normal pancake, usually we would use the frying pan, usually make 1 or 2, but for the skillet, guys, you make 4. So guys, if you are, a lot of South Sudanese have all these, like, you know, the skillet we use to make kisra. So please use your kisra hot plate. There we go. See, that's how it look like. It looks amazing. This probably was the best. So every time I make my pancake mix, they always taste different. They always have different consistency, and also depends with the ingredients, how much you use. And yeah, and this is all, sorry, it's late at night and I'm like, I gotta get this video out for you guys. But yeah, so this is how they look like, very fluffy. Then I use a collecting thing to put them away. I make about, how many did I make? So about 3 of those, which will be about 12. And then the last 3, so about 15, 16. So I've made them. So yeah, this is all my pancake from the scratch, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment if you have any other recipe for me to add on to, or just other ingredient you feel like I should add into my pancakes. And these are my go-to pancakes. These are good for someone who's trying to lose some weight. These are really good. Anyways, these are my healthy choice for pancakes. Hope you guys like these. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.